We testing the sprinkler first time. Hi guys,
We need
today.
to adjust the pressure.
Oh,
See the green box over there?
yep, here's RJ. And today,
Remember that. Number 2, we have to adjust.
yep. Here guys, our yard. And we testing the sprinkler first time this year. We testing the sprinkler. Where is the sprinkler, guys?
This is zone 2.
Zone 2 now. And zone 3 there
This
in the
is zone,
side.
This is zone 3.
Yep, oh, zone 3.
We already did 1 and 2.
Ooh, 1 and 2 is already done there.
But we need adjustments on all of them.
Here's RJ. Here's a brand new bike.
And
Red
some of them
and
not
shoes.
popping down.
But no, you pop up the
That's at
other.
least 3 that don't pop down.
No, we go now in the backyard. Have there.
Second, mommy.
Bring that in the garage.
Okay guys, we're going to the backyard because we're tasting this year. This is the first time they have irrigation water. So let's see if working the sprinkler. Okay. There he is guys, the sun pour. There he is. It's so wet here. Oh no, it's so little that there. Look. Sun pours. Oh! Sun 5. Here is tasting.
Everything stuck?
It's work. Have no stuck here. See? It's not stuck.
Zone 3's got a bunch of them.
Yeah, here is. Okay, this here too. Oh no, I make me wet. Zone 5. It's still working. The sprinkler pop up. It's better not broken to the snow before. I have a lot of snow. In snowing in winter. What, honey?
You have to dig this whole thing out.
Yeah, so bushy there. Look at the
Why did it
ridge.
come up thick? It was all floating.
Huh? Oh my goodness, stone 6 now. Look at that. Stone 6. It's work. There you go, the stone 6. It's daddy. Look at if broken or not. Broken the sprinkler. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so strong water, huh? There you go. All is work. But some is so little the water. There guys, nag-testing me guys. Oh, nag-testing me sa aming sprinkler guys. Yan, oh, done. Okay, it's done. Oh, the back in the back to, ano? Testing in the back to. See? That the
That's making the noise. Drip.
dripping
We
water.
have a drip in the front by the house too.
Yeah. See the tulips. And have no flowers here yet.
No sun.
Yeah, because have no
We
sense.
planted one on there.
Here's RJ.
We planted another one there. She only come out for like a month.
Okay. Okay guys, that's it for today. Our testing the sprinkler guys. Huh? Yes. Okay. I want to show you. It's the first time have water in irrigation. Ayan guys, oh. Basang-basa na ang lupa. Yan. So noisy. So noisy the hair guys. So yan guys. Yan, ang maliit na munting backyard. Yan. Yan. Tignan nyo ang mountain. Mayroon pang snow. Ang lamig pa dito guys. Kahit April na. April 18. Parang April 18 na today. That's it for now guys. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!